Engine power. The Honda CBR1000RR produces 215 GP from its 999cc inline-4. The BMW S1000RR pushes 210 GP from a 999cc shift-cam engine, and the Yamaha R1 delivers 200 GP from its cross-plane 998cc motor. The Honda edges ahead with sharper top-end delivery and peak horsepower. Winner, Honda CBR1000RR. Torque delivery. Honda's engine generates 113 nanometers. BMW produces 113 nanometers, while Yamaha offers 112 nanometers. Although similar on paper, BMW's shift cam technology enhances torque consistency through revs, giving it smoother acceleration across mid-range speeds. Winner, BMW S1000RR. Weight and agility. The Yamaha R1 weighs 201 kilograms, Honda sits at 202 kilograms, and BMW at 197 kilograms. BMW's lighter structure, aided by carbon fiber components and a balanced chassis, allows quicker direction changes and superior flickability on track and twisty roads. Winner, BMW S1000RR. Aerodynamics. The Honda CBR1000RR uses MotoGP-inspired winglets for downforce. BMW integrates adjustable aero elements, improving corner stability. Yamaha's fairing focuses on reduced drag, but lacks active systems. BMW's design offers better aerodynamic precision. Winner, BMW S1000RR. Electronics and rider aids. BMW equips 6-axis IMU, slide control, launch assist, and engine brake management. Honda features cornering ABS, traction control, and wheelie control. Yamaha's electronics are refined but slightly dated. BMW's electronics suite remains the benchmark. Winner, BMW S1000RR. Suspension setup. The Honda offers Showa big piston forks. With balance for track and street, Yamaha uses KYB suspension tuned for agility, while BMW's dynamic damping control adjusts automatically. BMW's electronic system provides unmatched adaptability and control. Winner, BMW S1000RR. Braking system. All three use Brembo calipers, but BMW integrates cornering ABS Pro with race calibration. Honda's system is strong yet slightly harsher under heavy load, and Yamaha offers progressive feel. BMW achieves the most confident and consistent braking. Winner, BMW S1000RR. Top speed. Honda reaches an estimated 300 kilometers per h. BMW clocks 303 kilometers per h, while Yamaha tops near 299 kilometers per h. Though the difference is small, BMW's aerodynamic efficiency and power delivery make it the fastest and most stable at extreme speeds. Winner, BMW S1000RR. Track performance. On track, Honda's precision and quick steering make it a true racer's tool. Yamaha's R1 offers predictable control, and BMW's electronics and corner exit traction dominate lap times, giving it consistent advantage for experienced riders. Winner, BMW S1000RR. Comfort and ergonomics. The Yamaha R1 provides a slightly relaxed sport position. BMW sits between comfort and aggression, while Honda's ergonomics are race-focused. For riders balancing road and track comfort, BMW offers the most versatile and ergonomic setup. Winner: BMW S1000RR. Exhaust sound. The Yamaha R1's cross-plane crank design delivers a raw, MotoGP-style growl, unlike any other. BMW's exhaust note is refined but mechanical, while Honda's sound is sharper yet less emotional. For sheer oral excitement, Yamaha wins easily. Winner: Yamaha R1. Build quality. Honda's finish is top tier, Yamaha offers durable craftsmanship, but BMW's precision build and use of premium materials like carbon panels set a higher benchmark in modern superbike manufacturing quality. Winner: BMW S1000RR. Price and value. Honda CBR1000RR and Yamaha R1 offer great performance near $18,000, while BMW costs around $22,000. Considering features, materials, and performance, BMW justifies its higher price with unmatched capability and innovation. Winner: BMW S1000RR. Reliability. Honda's proven reliability and low maintenance costs remain unmatched. Yamaha is similarly dependable, while BMW's advanced tech can increase service costs. Honda's engineering simplicity ensures long-term consistency and reliability. Winner: Honda CBR1000RR. Overall performance. While Honda delivers raw racing focus and Yamaha inspires with emotion and sound, BMW S1000RR dominates in balance, speed, and technology. Across all measurable metrics, BMW achieves the most complete superbike package. Winner: BMW S1000RR.